So as you can see here, this is the Ultimate Scalping Masterclass 4.0 by myself, hosted by myself, and illustrated by RocksFX Academy, okay? So we're just gonna go over a few things here. We're gonna go over some of the theory, have a look at some of the data. We're gonna take a look at market structures, key levels that you wanna be identifying. We're gonna be taking a look at lower highs, higher low rules, trend patterns, entry patterns, being aggressive, 3-step trends, range bound trading, volume candles, long wick fake outs, risk to reward, trading stops, cutting your risk, yes, stacking positions, best times to trade, best pairs and expectations. Then we're going to go through some examples, okay? Don't make that mistake with the signals. For sure, it's something I'm thinking about. Watch list, I think is better. Record. Yeah, watch list is coming back next month. Recording the post. Cool. All right, everybody. So let's get started. So the basic theory of what I've put together today, as I said, you all should know this, is that the markets are always trending, and you all know that the basic consensus of the strategy is to trade with the trend. Okay. The reason why the 1 minute time frame is a great time frame to trade, and don't lose perception of this, don't lose perception of this. Okay, just because it's a 1 minute time frame, it doesn't mean you're going to make money faster. You can lose a lot of money very fast if you're not disciplined. And if you're taking, let's say, have a free trade rule a day, a free trade a day rule, and you manage to take your trades in 45 minutes, which is really possible, psychologically, it's very hard to walk away from the chart simply because you've maybe taken a day off work, or have 2 weeks off work, or have arranged for your partner to look after your children so you can trade in silence. And to think that your day could actually be over in, let's say, 45 minutes is very, very tough to walk away from. And what you'll find on the 1 minute time frame is that if you don't have the discipline, then guess what, guys? You're going to overtrade. Okay, and it's not something that I want you to do. I just want to make a disclaimer. What I'm teaching today, obviously, is not the Holy Grail, and it's not a perfect way to trade for a lot of people, or the best way to trade for a lot of people. So if you're coming into this, because I know for a fact there is actually a lot of people that agree, but I know for a fact that there are people here that work and that don't have the time to trade the 1 minute time frame, and are only here to think in the back of their minds that if they learn this, they'll be able to make their money quicker and they'll be able to get in and out of the markets. If that's the case, it's a misconception. That was the word I was looking for, okay? So please don't have that misconception, not perception. 2 more people joining. Now, there will be tons of opportunities every day, and I can promise you there are tons of opportunities every single day. It's unbelievable, okay? But it still requires patience and discipline. We can take advantage of the trends of structures, and the reason why that is, guys, is because 1 hour candle, 1 30-minute candle, 1 4-hour candle creates a trend on the 1 minute time frame, and it's absolutely mind-blowing. So there will be trends. You just simply have to wait patiently for 1 candle above 30 minutes to be created as a strong bullish or bearish candle for that day, and there will be a trend. Okay, have that in the back of your mind. Now, also, the benefits of this is that the risk to reward ratio is really, really good. It's phenomenal, and we'll go into that in a minute. And what? Good risk to reward ratio, good risk to reward and risk management, it is impossible. What? Good risk to reward and risk management, it is impossible. You can tell I didn't proofread this, right? Whatever. You can go away. Right, go with the market flow, and let's move on, man. Right, so that's the theory.